Thank you.
Wear it, Mommy? Take it, wear it?
You want to wear it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm going to try this Cetaphil Oily Skin Oil Absorbing Moisturizer. Excuse me.
Mom.
Mm-hmm. I'm in kind of one of those, like, I don't want to, like, not wear any makeup, but I don't really want to wear, like, makeup. I don't know. So we'll see what balance I find. I want to look not terrible, but I don't want to put on, like, a whole bunch of makeup. So I might just end up putting on, like, a whole face of makeup. We'll see what happens. Okay, enough.
Can you put more in here?
You need to put it on your body, too.
Body. Can you give me more? Body?
No, that's a lot, trust me. Oh, those curls. Look at me again. Look at me. You're so beautiful. Mwah. Mwah. Oh no. I'm going to preemptively.
You said don't scream.
What?
You made it. Mommy, you made it.
I put some of this on as a precursor to the rest of my makeup because Mommy looks really tired.
Tired?
Yeah.
I'm winning, Mommy.
Sorry, everything is just like a mess behind me. We're just having a lazy Sunday. Already look 10 times better just by waking up my face a little bit. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of some foundation. I'm using the Revlon Color Stay. I'm not gonna put on as much as I normally would because I don't really care too much today. So I don't think I'm going to wear any falsies today. I think I'm just going to put on some mascara, a little bit more concealer. Put a little eyelid primer on, just so things can blend and not get all creasy later on today. Gotta do some laundry. I kind of want to go out and see our little veggie garden, how that's doing. Maybe get some more tomatoes out of it. I want to see how the pumpkins are doing. Whatever, I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows. I'm gonna start powdering up my face with some loose powder. I'm just using some L'Oreal Paris True Blend Mineral Powder. And then I'm going to put some blush on. Oh, there's a lot. Peach blush, just to kind of make it look a little bit more natural and blend it all out. go in with some of my bronzer. Highlight. I was like, what is this called? And I'm going to just get a little of this on my finger and kind of put it like right in my inner corner and just a little bit up onto the front of my eyelid. I'm going to spritz my face with the all-nighter setting spray. Just a little spritz. I'm going to line my lips, just like a little random something. Whoa. I'm gonna put on some of my gloss balm. I'm gonna put on a little eyeliner. I'm going to take some of my dry shampoo. I did take a shower this morning, but this is going to act as like a second conditioner, preventive measure for oil buildup over the day because I'm going to be outside. I know it's gonna be hot. And this will just help my hair to feel like it's still freshly washed tomorrow. Since I know I'm going to be getting hot and gross. So let that sit a second. I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara. I'm going to use the curl and length side. Hey, relax. Yeah, that looks rough, but it's okay. No one is gonna care. So this is the very just kind of like get it done hair makeup look. Just gonna have a lazy day doing some laundry, hanging out with Mila, this crazy kid, and just kind of preparing for the rest of the week. So I hope you enjoyed this and stay tuned for more videos. But then a friend just asked if I could do her makeup later, and I'm gonna be wearing a mask, so I gotta like spruce up my eyes a little bit. I'm gonna put on some falsies. Ooh. I don't understand how people can put on falsies using just their hands. Like, anyway, getting very distracted by my daughter's show.